Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's in the evening. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku. By the way, it's in the newspaper of Tuesday, March the 14th. 2023. Then we have here two tectonics, 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles, yes. The first one I will solve is the Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 6113. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. 2 sevens. 3 eights. And 2 nines. So the 5s and the 6s are a majority. Can start with 5, yes, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see I have 5 in the last column? No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. Let me see, 2, 2. Interesting. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in the last in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row. 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Then. How about 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Still thinking. 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Now. How about 9, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 4, 6. 1, 1, 1. 7. 7 and 5. Yeah. We have a pair. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last column. Oh, wait. No. Not too fast. 1, 2, 3, and then 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 8 and 9 are left. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Interesting. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. Well. No. 9, 9. Come on. How about a 5 here, 5 there, 5 here? Yeah. 3 should be here. 3, 7, and 9. 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 7, 8, and 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is a number 9. We need a 9 in the first row. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this column. No 9 there. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left. Oh, wait. I've eliminated the 8 there, so the 8 should be there then. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Here we have a 1 and a 2. Okay. Then. How about the 5? 5. 3. Need a 3 here. 3. No 3 there. 3. 7. Yeah. 5. 5. Need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. I'm thinking. Need a 8 there. 8. 8. Yeah. You're 8 here. Interesting. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and a 3. 2 and a 3. 9. Come on. Where's the opening? Let me put some numbers. 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3, need a 3. Need a 1, 2. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. How about the number? Come on. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Come on, this is taking too long. 2, 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 9. 1, 2. 1, 9. Overlooked. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. All right. Okay. 3 to 7, 3 to 7. Okay, 2. So we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. 7 in this column, last column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be 7. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. Alright. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 5. Now we have a 5 here in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have also 1 and a 2. 1, 2, and a 3. Well, here should be 1 and a 2. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So now I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And now we have eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now. In the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. In the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left now in this row, middle row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes here with a 2. Now we have a 2 here in the middle column, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, told you. I need 20 to 30 minutes. So is this video 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.